Hello everyone, today we are going to take a tour and check out the 2023 Land Cruiser 300 production in Japan at the Yoshiwara factory. If you enjoy our videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. These actions will aid in the rapid growth of our channel. We are approaching 300,000 subscribers, and we would like to express our gratitude to all of you who have supported DPC cars for more than a decade. The J300 series Land Cruiser was unveiled on 9 June 2021. Its development was led by Toyota Chief Engineer Takami Yokoo. Built on the body-on-frame GAF platform, the frame itself was redesigned to reduce weight and increase rigidity. The total weight of the vehicle was reduced by 441 pounds compared to its predecessor. Other improvements claimed include lowered center of gravity, weight distribution, and an improved suspension structure. For this generation, Toyota ceased to offer V8 engine options in favor of a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 petrol engine producing 409 horsepower and a 3.3-liter twin-turbocharged V6 diesel engine producing 304 horsepower. A 4.0-liter naturally-aspirated V6 engine is carried over from the previous model. Toyota stated that the J300 series Land Cruiser would not be available in the United States due to slow sales for its J200 series predecessor, as well as limited production capacity. The related Lexus LX remains available due to better sales. Other than Lexus vehicles, the Sequoia became Toyota's flagship SUV sold in North America.